It was extremely challenging trying to get the exact measurements of the graphics and the geometrics when you're going across a curved surface. I mean, it couldn't be more challenging when you've got 2D geometrics versus 2D. But it's the exact same thing with the dome as along with the artwork. You want the viewer to appreciate the skill and the craftsmanship that's gone into creating it, whilst making the final piece look completely flawless and effortless. One of my favourite subjects, the traditional notion between masculine and feminine, the masculine bold geometrics, the poignant stare, that direct gaze that she holds. I hope I've created this subtle yet mesmerising piece that dips its toes into the subject between power and temptation.